Hello, welcome back again. Right, it's going to be another product review. Again, ALS Tools has sent me some airbags for you guys that use airbags. I've got a nice little pack of 3 airbags. I do use them myself. I don't use them for auto. I use them for like windows and doors and stuff like that to help me carry out my work. Right, I do have this. This is one that I ordered from China. It's pretty good. I've enjoyed it. I like it. Then Mark sent me these, so I thought, okay, let's have a look. The comparison. So what I'm going to do is just compare. And I do have the smaller one here as well, which I think is equivalent to this one. And I do have this one somewhere, but I can't find it. I tend to keep these 2 in my tool bag, but I think I'm going to be going over to these. The reason why, there's a couple of reasons. I just did a pump test on them. Let's have a look. And it pumps up quite nicely. There we go. Would you say it's pretty much? I don't really get much more in there. Right, then we've got this one here. Again, killing my hand. Okay. Right. Okay, so let's have a look. Well, they're pumped up. This one, it's hard to see actually. Let's see if I can. This one seems this one seems a fraction longer, but I think inflation-wise, when it's pumped up, I don't know if you can tell. It's hard to tell on the camera. I'd say, yeah, it's this one. This one's is higher, pumped up higher. But the other thing I like about it is this one here. When I empty it, I have to keep my finger on the button to deflate it. When this one is like my air jack that I've got, where you just, once you release it, you don't have to worry about it. It will naturally deflate itself because it's obviously the valve is open, so it's just going to go down and down and down until it's, until the air's gone. So that is quite a bonus for me. It's nice you can regulate the speed. I mean, you can do the same on this. I don't know, some people maybe a button presser. Some people may like just a little twist. I personally like the twist. I just find it's a little bit easier. And then I can just leave the valve open, stick it in my tool bag. By the time I come back, it'll all be deflated. So I don't have to think about it. Anyway, that was just a quick one on ALS's air wedges. Yeah, for me, again, Mark, you ain't getting them back. They're going to go in my tool bag. So cheers, and thanks for watching.